If you have ever said I'm learning coding and someone corrected you with actually it's called programming, don't worry, if you have been confused about this, you are definitely not the only one. Some people use these two words interchangeably while others treat them like they are completely different. So, what's the real difference? In this video, I'll explain it in the simplest way possible, and by the end, you will know exactly what coding is, what programming is, and why every programmer codes, but not every coder is a programmer. Let's get into it. What is coding? Let's start with coding. Coding is the process of writing instructions in a programming language so that a computer knows what to do. Think of it as translating your ideas into a language the computer understands. For example, if you write hello world or create a simple calculator, that's the coding. To become good at coding, you mainly learn things like variables, loops, functions, conditions, classes, and the syntax of a programming language. In simple words, coding is about writing the code correctly. So what is programming? Programming is much broader. Before writing any code, you first need to understand the problem you are trying to solve. Then you plan the solution, decide how the program should work, think about different situations the user might face, choose the right logic, and finally you write the code. That entire process is called programming. So coding is one step inside programming, not the other way around. Let's understand with an example. Imagine your teacher asks you to build a calculator app. A coder might immediately start writing buttons and equations. A programmer first asks questions like what operations should the calculator support? What happens if the user divides by 0? Should it allow decimal numbers? How should the interface look? Only after answering these questions does the coding begin. That's the biggest difference. Programming is planning and problem solving. Coding is implementing that plan. Here is an easy way to remember it. Imagine you are building a house. The blueprint comes first, then the construction begins. Programming is creating the blueprint. Coding is building the house based on that blueprint. Without a blueprint, the workers won't know what to build. Without construction, the blueprint stays on paper. You need both. Which one is harder? Coding has its challenges. You need to learn syntax, fix errors, and understand different programming languages. But programming is usually considered hard because solving real-world problems requires logical thinking. Writing code is one skill, knowing what code should be written is another. That's why experienced developers spend a lot of time thinking before they start typing. Which one should beginners learn? Here is the good news. You don't have to choose. When you start learning Python, JavaScript, Java, or any other language, you are actually learning coding and programming together. At first, you will focus more on syntax. As you build projects, you will naturally improve your programming skills by solving bigger and bigger problems. So let's summarize everything in one simple sentence. Coding is writing instructions in a programming language. Programming is the complete process of solving a problem, planning the solution, and then writing the code. That's why every programmer knows coding, but not everyone who can write code is thinking like a programmer. If this video helped you finally understand the difference, don't forget to leave a like. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.